Air is all around us. All living things need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. We cannot see air. We can feel it when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Take some small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air.
Air has smoke in it. The smoke coming out of vehicles like buses, trucks or cars also mixes with air. The smoke coming out of the chimneys of factories or bakeries also mixes in air. The smoke also comes from bonfires, which goes up into the air and makes the air impure. Air that contains dust or smoke is bad for us to breathe. This may harm our health. Dust particles also carry disease germs which make us sick. Air has germs in it. When a sick person coughs or sneezes, germs come out and mix with the air. These germs, inhaled by someone, may make him sick. Air has dust particles in it. When vehicles move or a sweeper sweeps the road, dust particles rise up and mix with the air. Clean and fresh air. Keep the windows open with a wire net. It will allow fresh air to come in. Always go for a morning walk. Morning air is fresh. Keep the surroundings clean. It will keep the air clean. Grow green plants where we live. Plants make the air fresh and clean. Play in the open. It will give more of fresh air. Do not cover your face while sleeping. If we cover our face, we cannot breathe properly.